Those Crazy Gingers, the show where everything's made up and the points don't matter. Today we're going to be playing the game Sound Effects from Whose Line Is It Anyway? Our special guests today are John from Those Crazy Gingers, Alan from WhatAlanSays, Myles from where he's from, and Scott from another place.
Yay.
How this game works is, I will be giving a random scenario to two of the players here. They will be acting it out together with the other two people, giving them sound effects. Let's get started. For our first scene, John and Alan are going to be acting out. John, you are a film director who is filming a murder mystery. Alan, you are the main star who does not want to be there. It is set in a graveyard. Scott will be doing the sound effects for John. Myles will be doing the sound effects for Alan. And action.
We're doing the thing. Here we go. All right. Got to set up my camera.
Beep, boop, bop, beep, boop, boop.
That's realist. Zombies. Action.
Why would I be here with zombies?
Ready? Then run away from the zombies. We're running away. Here we go. All right, and there's a train apparently behind us. Oh my gosh, a train! What's that? Oh my gosh! A whole crowd of people cheering. What's going on? We're all dying to being run over by the train. Quickly, jump on the train. Screw the camera. I'm on the side of the train. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna let you do you.
There's wind blowing. Because we're going really fast. Let's stop the train.
Oh dear, that was a lot of sound that came out from over there.
Dude, I am lightheaded. I'll tell you what.
You guys are great.
Hilarious! Oh my gosh.
No, but seriously.
Okay.
Alright, in this next scene, we're going to have Myles act out as an angry man, and Alan will be a gun enthusiast at a gun show when all of a sudden a zombie apocalypse breaks out. John's will be doing the sound effects for Myles, and Anna will be doing the sound effects for Alan. Take it away.
I'm really angry because I don't have a gun in my hand.
Okay,
And what
there's
happened
one
so?
right there. There's one right there. Oh, and then
I
you just
just-
really like this one. Oh, look, zombies!
Zombies!
Oh,
We're back to back. Let's surround it. Surround it.
Click, 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 click.
I can't do that.
Click, 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 click.
thank you. In this scene will be Scott and John. Myles will do sound for Scott, and Anna would do sounds for John. Now, in this scene, John is a hiker, and Scott is Bigfoot. I just realized what I did there. John, you are around the campfire during the middle of the day because you want lunch. Bigfoot decides to come into your campsite because he wants a hug. Okay, ready? Action.
Got some marshmallows here. Wow, that's a very crunchy marshmallow. Oh my gosh! Oh, Cookie throw pots and pans at it!
Cling, 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 cling.
I'm in a circle around the campfire! Hopefully it won't catch me! Oh my shit!
I'm looking to get some food from you.
Have some, all my crunchy marshmallows.
I love crunchy marshmallows. I think where all the hikers at. Just run away from me. I just want to make a friend.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm gonna munch on
Well, oh no, an avalanche! Run!
Oh God, marshmallows!
Ah! You're dropping marshmallows on the ground!
Sorry.
Avalanche sounds.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of, that's my car. The door's open in my car.
Yeah, it's
That's
right
my
there.
car over there. Quickly,
It's very nice
get the
car.
car. Here.
I can't fit in your car. It's too small.
Just, jump on top.
I'll break through the roof.
You just broke my roof.
Yeah.
Oh well.
What's this radio?
Oh, I should probably put it into gear first.
Get out of here. No, I hate techno.
Where are we going?
Let's go
to keep that scene going. I'm sorry, that was too much
What's
gold.
going on?
That was golden.
In this next scene, we're going to have John and Anna act out as two giddy schoolgirls in the cinema lobby for the Avengers film. We're going to have Miles voice Anna's actions, and we're going to have Alan voice John's actions.
Oh my gosh!
I'm just
Oh my gosh, here we are! Sorry, did I hit you in the face? I didn't even hit you in the face.
I need some ice.
Oh, we need some ice. Here you go. Hold on. Oh, oops. Do you hear people whispering?
No, that was water. Why didn't you give me ice?
Oh my god.
It's
Alright.
frozen water.
I'm gonna get some more ice.
Frozen
Here's
water.
the ice machine.
Maybe it's empty. We're gonna have to go find some ice somewhere else.
Someone's vomiting somewhere. You know that?
Wait.
You don't think the guy is me.
Oh my god.
I like my shirt. You like my shirt?
Wait, oh my goodness. Do you know why?
What?
Oh my god, look at that shirt. Oh my gosh, we're being chased.
I'm already faster than you. Oh, actually no, I'm already slower than you.
Okay.
That's trial jumps. We're being chased by a bridge. What's happening? I need some audio cues. I know you guys winning. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and check out this guy on the
What Alan Says on YouTube.
on YouTube. Yeah, also there as well. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you want to watch last week's video, click over there.
If you want to watch a random video, click over there, sort of. Yeah, that's good.
And if you want to watch our collab with Alan and Myles and Scott, click down over there. You should watch it and you should subscribe to his channel.
Otherwise, stay tuned for the bloopers. I wanted to call you Becky for some reason.
Becky.
Oh my gosh, Becky!
Becky.
Ew! Jesus, stop! Ew!
No! Don't do that. Don't do
What?
that. Don't do that.
All I have to do is.
Stop.
Next word?
Stop.
No, I just have to put my arm around her.
Stop! I don't want you to do that right now. Stop.
Please tell me that was good.
All I have to do.
I don't want it. Get away from me!
All I have to do is touch her chin.
Don't touch
That's all I
my
have to
chin.
do.
I don't like it.
Why? No, chin.
I don't know, but this is what
Are
happens.
you ticklish?
This is what happens. No, it's not ticklish. It's just
No,
a. It's just,
I don't like it
Sorry,
because I
sorry.
feel like it's gonna choke me.
I've never done that before, for the record. So what happens is.
What's going on?
Stop it! I need you to stop.